If you want to close apps that are running in the background on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can, for example, swipe from the bottom to the middle of the phone and hold your finger for like half a second or so. Of course, as long as you use gesture navigation. So in that case, you want to swipe from the bottom, hold here for like half a second, and then you can lift your finger, and then you will open the list of all background apps that you have opened. There we go. Of course, you can swipe up on individual app to close a single app of your choice. And what you can also do is you can scroll all the way to the left side to find the clear all buttons. If you tap over here, you will close pretty much every app that you have listed over here. Of course, if you use 3-button navigation, then in order to open that list of apps, you need to use this square button. Now, the square button can be positioned here on the right side, but also on the left side, depending on this setting here on the button order. So you can tap on that button, and also you can open the list of background apps, and you can do exactly the same thing from now on. You can swipe up to close individual apps, or you can go all the way to the left side to find the clear all button. Leave a like and subscribe.